Take a bite, feel the taste. Pour 10 to 15 grams of olive oil into a pan and sauté the vegetables until softened. Once slightly tender, transfer them to a plate. In the same pan, add the bacon cut into strips or small cubes. Cook until golden brown. Add the turkey and beef mince to the bacon. Cook until nicely browned. Then add the garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add the tomato paste, mix well, and cook for a short moment to deepen the flavor. Pour in the wine and cook until it has completely evaporated, then return the prepared vegetables to the pan. Mix everything together and add the spices: sun-dried tomatoes, paprika, nutmeg, basil, and oregano. Stir thoroughly again, then add more tomato puree and combine well. Finally, pour in the beef stock, cover, and let it simmer gently for about 5.5 hours. After that time, add the milk and cream, then stir in the grated Parmesan. Mix well, season with salt and pepper to taste, and let it cook on low heat for another 15 to 20 minutes. I always make extra sauce and store it in containers for later. It also freezes very well. In a separate pot, cook your pasta al dente according to the package instructions. Reheat a portion of Ragù alla Bolognese in a pan. Add the pasta and toss everything together. Plate it up, sprinkle with freshly grated Parmesan, and finish with fresh basil leaves. Ready, enjoy.